Hello guys! In this video, I'll show you how to create hierarchical charts in React.js. We can use this NPM library, RC Hierarchy, to draw hierarchical data in React.js. This library provides a React component to create hierarchical charts. It uses HTML Canvas API to visualize hierarchical data. Primary aim of RC Hierarchy library is to address the challenge of visualizing hierarchical data that spans horizontally by presenting it in a compact vertical format. RC Hierarchy optimizes user experience, making it easier to comprehend and navigate through complex structures such as family trees, organizational charts, and file directories. Let's start with video. Here I have created new React.js project using Vite. First, we need to install RC Hierarchy library. To do so, we can use npm install RC Hierarchy. After installing RC Hierarchy library, we need to import RC Hierarchy component from this library. Next, we need to define data in JSON format. I have taken some data for this video. Let's place that data in here. Now we can use this imported component to create chart of this data. Here we need to pass this data in data property and an object in config property. We can discuss config object later on. Now let's run this project using npm run dev command. Here we can see a hierarchical chart of data we provided. To draw this data in compact vertical format, we need to change some properties in config object. First is compact. It is set to false by default. Change it to true. Second is CT, which stands for compact threshold. This refers to depth of tree from which tree will be drawn in compact format. For now, I will set to 2. From these two properties, there are some more properties which we can adjust to make chart as needed to us. You can find those on this Arc Hierarchy library README section on npm. Now let's save this file here. We can see tree from depth 2 is drawn in compact form. This is how we can create hierarchical charts in React.js. If you just want to generate image of hierarchical data, you can use demo web app of this npm library. Here you can pass your custom data and change these properties to design chart as you want. Then use this button to save image of generated chart. If you need some more information about this RC Hierarchy library, check these links. That's it. If you have any questions, put it down in comment section. Like, share, and subscribe to channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.